From Bohol on, we took the ferry to the little island of Siqiour, where we would spend Christmas. We were greeted by a lot of clouds and rain and stayed at a little hostel next to the beach. Unfortunately, we couldn't go snorkeling or diving because of the bad weather, but we did rent a motorcycle and went off to explore the island a little bit. The island of Siqiour is very beautiful and it's full of rice paddies, animals, caves and beautiful trees and plants.
Best wel ruimte, hè? Ik zit wel aan een touwtje, maar hij kan daar. Their own Sagrada Familia. Cute.
One of the more popular things here is the Enchanted ballot tree. The tree is estimated to be over 400 years old and it's 60 feet tall, making it one of the oldest trees in the Philippines. Underneath the tree, there's a pond with fish that will nibble at your feet.
You can go inside?
The old Enchanted ballot tree. She asked if you can go inside. I think yes, because they have fish who eat the dead skin from your feet. And like, I think that's here as well. So entrance fee is 20 pesos each. So for the two of us, that's not even $1. But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful old tree. And then they got the fish. Shall we go in? That's weird. That's very weird. They're big. You feel them. Oh. Tonya refuses to do it. Why do you refuse to do it?
Oh, I'm ticklish.
Oh, it's very. It tickles very much. You got different kind of.
After Christmas, we traveled to Moalboal, situated on the island of Cebu. The way up there was crazy. We went on 2 different ferries, 2 tuk-tuks, and finally a bus. Moalboal is famous for the Sardine run that you can watch just 20 meters offshore. It's also famous for the amount of turtles swimming around here. The best way to see them is to rent a snorkel and just swim to the flocks of people in the water. That's where you will see the sardines and the turtles. I must say that the corals here are still very beautiful and the sardine run is really cool to see. It was our first encounter here with a turtle and it was really as great as people say it is. It's such a magical creature.
Well, I already mixed it. This is chicken tzatziki, and we're gonna try it another time. This time with Donya. We also have stir-fried eggplants because we need to have vegetables, and they're hard to find here.
Very good.
Yeah.
And that's really nice. Way better than the other one.
We had pork before, but that
This is really fresh.
this is better.
With the lemon. Very nice.
Calamansi.
Oh yeah, calamansi.
Bye bye. So in the morning we could just walk this, and now we're gonna walk this as well. But we're getting our feet wet. Haven't had the best sleep, but I'm going for a scuba dive. It's beautiful now.
In the next video, we will go to Siqiour, the surf paradise in the Philippines. We hope to see you there, and please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video. Thank you!